I screwed it up. Okay, so station's like $750. Clients spent like that on me too. I just fucked it up. I just screwed it all up. Oh well. Let's figure out how I fixed it, shall we? Cause I gotta fix this thing now. Cause it's due. So here I am working away in my building. It's been 2 weeks after I got the parts. I forgot a few parts, so I had to get some more parts cut, which added more time to the build. We started talking about this build in January. I got my first payment in January. Jeez, it's been taking a long time, and I gotta get this thing done. And I just noticed I put this piece on wrong. I tried to put the corbel on, and I noticed that I put my decorative fascia piece upside down. So how do we fix it? Well, I used weld bond for this, right? I'm always talking about weld bond. It's all clear and stuff like that. Well, it's time for us to come to one of the other beautiful features of weld bond, which is fixing stupid mistakes by stupid builders like me. I pulled out my little space heater, ran it along the parts, got my metal ruler out, and lickety split. Look at that. Weld bond comes off. See, it's a strong glue. I'm not saying it's not strong, but you put heat onto it and it'll let go. So I just saved my arse there. And thank God for that, because that could have ended up bad. Dang. Dumb sometimes. That's what happens when you don't read the instructions of kits that don't come with instructions. Yeah, there were no instructions. See you later, guys.